Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the introduction about shift register in digital electronics. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic shift register. Register is a combination of flip-flop. Work is to store the digital data of any kind. So the registers are made up of flip-flop. We know that flip-flop is a temporary storage element that will store a single bit. So by using flip-flop, the register is constructed in order to store the digital data. And shifting also possible on application of the clock pulse, right? So we can store the data, and another application is shifting the data, that is data storage and data movement. We can move the data from right side to left side or left side to right side, serial, parallel, all are possible. The storage capacity of register is the total number of ones and zeros in the data, right? So the capacity is nothing but ones and zeros, right? In that we see the shift register. What is mean by shift register and what are the types are available? The movement of data from stage to stage within the register or into or out of the register upon the application of the clock pulse. So we can move the data from stage to stage within the register or into the register or out of the register. That is called here by applying the clock pulse. So based on that, the types of data movement in the shift registers are, there are various types available. We will see the types one by one. The first type is serial in, serial out type. SISO. Data is entered serially and out by serially. See this input data. So this box refers the register. This is register 1, 2, 3, 4. There is nothing but flip-flop constructed by flip-flop. This is a 4-bit register. So the data is given serially and it is passing also serially from one register to another register. Similarly here it is given from left side. This is given from right side. So it is called a right shift register. This is called a left shift register. The left side input is given and is moving in a serial manner, and right side the output is available. Right. So that it is called a left shift register. This is right shift register. Serially data is given and serially data is going out. I will go to the next type. So the second type is serial in, parallel out. SIPO. See, these data are entered serially and data are out by the parallel. Parallelly it is going out. Right. Previous one, serial input, serial output. This is serially in. Data are given serially, but the data are taken as parallelly. Right. Then the third type, parallel in and parallel out. PIPO. So data is given parallel and data taken as a parallel also. So this we already explained. These boxes refers the register, flip-flop. Right. So earlier we give serial and serial in, serial out. Second type, serial and parallel out. This is parallel in, parallel out. Data is given parallelly and data is taken also parallelly. PIPO. Next one, parallel in, serial out. The fourth type is the parallel in, serial out. So parallelly data are loaded, but is data are taken out by serially. Right? According to our requirement, we can use either any one of the type, serial in or serial out, serial in parallel, parallel in, parallel out, or parallel in, serial out. So this is the 4 basic types, and another 2 more types available, bidirectional. So the data moving from right side to left side or left side to right side, bidirectional. Both that sides are possible. Earlier we discussed only one direction, left shift register, right shift register. But this register were both bidirectional. Serially we can move from right to left or left to right. So this is called a bidirectional. And another 2 more types available, rotational right, rotational left. See, the data are moving serially. The last data again it is connected to the input side, right side. So it is rotating right side. Here the data is given left, moving left side. The last data is again given as a input. So it is rotating. That is nothing but a rotating. We know that some name boards and names are rotating, no? Like this will be rotated. So this will be rotating right side, this is rotating in left side. So in this video we discussed the registers available in digital electronics. Register is nothing but a storage element made up of flip-flop. Flip-flop is the storage element. So it is also used for shifting the data, storing the data as well as shifting the data. Right. In that there are various types: serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel out, parallel in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out. These are the 4 types. Then bidirectional also, left to right side, right to left side. Then rotational, rotating left side and rotating right side. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.